Okay, another interesting news of the day where you will remember Mosuguti MK party had launched a case with the IEC Electoral Court. Listen, Electoral Court have instructed the IEC to say, hey, respondent, give us an affidavit responding to the allegation that has been advanced by MK Party. We want your answering your answering affidavit. Guys, kusazoshu be South Africa, kusazoshu. Who? I'm going there. Nobody can stop me. I'm on my way. I'm going there. Nobody can stop me. I'm on my way. I'm going there. Hey, Ningati. I want. You can't sing. Hey. We are going there. Electoral court is coming. The date is coming. So please don't distract me with your thing. You can't sing. I'm preparing for that day where we shall be hearing the arguments being advanced by MK Party, proving that there was rigging from the electoral court, proving that you rigged the elections. Then you rush to declare to declare the elections free and fair. They were like, no. So, so please, relax as we're about to sing the song. So I'm about to take you through everything where Electoral Court has ordered that, yeah, Baba, answering David, please. We want to start with the case. You don't get it. I've been waiting for this one. I just wish, man, it can start next week, Kebo. I just wish it can start next week. But we've been waiting for this one. I just want to see. I'm so thirsty for the arguments that are going to be advanced by EMK Party. I'm super so looking forward to those. Remember the affidavit, how they details things, and now IEC is going to change the board. But again, guys, I will also confirm something where I saw someone was saying that the numbers advanced by the dashboard that was changed by IEC. Actually, even that dashboard creates a problem again. So IEC is moving from one era to another. I'm going to share with you something. It is here. I screenshotted that thing where this person was proving that no, the numbers, when IEC changed the numbers, they created even more problems. Don't worry. Wait for me. Right. Listen. Guys, you can't just wait. As you wait, this is what you should be doing. If you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Come on, good people. Because to subscribe, it is free. To like the video, it is free. To comment in the comment section below, it is free of charge. To click the notification bell, it is free of charge. To share this video, it is free of charge. To watch this video until the end, it is free of charge. Also, good people, come on, to watch the ads, it's free of charge, and that's how you financially contribute to this YouTube channel. Speaking about financially contribution to the channel, you can become a member of this YouTube channel from as little as 20 Rand a month. You can also use the Super Thanks button. In case you don't want to do that, guys, there is a way where you can use my media company banking details to donate to the channel, and you know what I'm saying? Will bring you more, and also guys want to buy more equipment. So the power is in your hands. Please do the honorable thing as we proceed. Okay. Now there was an article, let's give credit to 8 Times Live. There was an article released by Frank Rapkin, right? Legal correspondent at Times Live. The heading of the article says IEC must answer MK's electoral court case by Tuesday. Court orders. Yeah, my dad. Gobi. Oh, nathi inhleka abadlali. Bathi hey, dlala. Oh, my God. Electoral court has directed the Electoral Commission of South Africa, IEC, and other corresponded to file answering affidavit to the MK Party application to set aside the recent election by 6 p.m. On Tuesday, right? In directions from the court on Friday, it also directed MK Party to file its replying affidavit by June 27. Hey, manje sazohlala isikhathi eside man le case kanti yolalelwana in the case. Before June 27, MK Party na melisheshe. Okay, so let's fix the date. So when they say by Tuesday, they are saying, oh, okay, I see. Tuesday is the 25th of June, and then the 25th, and then from that Tuesday, it's Thursday yakona, electoral court, they are saying that Thursday, 2 days or 1 day apart, you guys must look, the last day will be your 27. You must have filed your responding affidavit too. Aye, kusazo sure. The court reserved the right to dispose this matter on papers without referral on oral hearing, said the directions. The MK Party had asked the Electoral Court to declare the recent national and provincial elections were not free and fair and were therefore invalid, and to set aside the result. It has asked the court to order the president to proclaim a new election date within 90 days of court's order. In the application, MK Party's national organizer Nathi Nhleko said they had elections been free and fair, MK Party will not in all likelihood have won. Had this thing been free and fair, MK Party, the likelihood of them winning would have been much higher. With the consequences, it would have earned the right obligation to form a national government, right? Nathi Nhleko referred to the evidence of an expert which had shown voting irregularities that were glaring and implicable of any other basis other than that was a huge attempt to subvert the democratic will of the citizens of this country. The experts were not named in this affidavit, but he said the IEC could not explain the discrepancy in numbers produced in the expert table and attached to his affidavit. He says it is clear these discrepancies are evidence of deliberate vote rigging, in that the IEC official was deliberately involved in changing the accurate vote captured at the voting the district and replacing those results with false numbers, said Nhleko. Guys, I don't want the IEC to say, "Hi, we will decide on the basis of the evidence produced on affidavit." No, I want them. I want them to face each other in court. I just want to hear the arguments from this side to 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 this side, because this is going to be a marathon. It's probably going to take a strict 1 week of argument, but they may try to make sure that they push it to the best of their ability. But I feel like it would be nice to have it in that format, and so it gives us the chance also just to hear all sides of stories, not just to hear, no. We want that thing, to take place live in court. Yeah. Okay, Utega, it is clear that okay. He says there was no vote without constitutional value or importance to the will of the subverting election result, equivalent to treason. Oh my God. Now guys, aningitshela ukuthi nayindaba la MK Party have gone. Oh, I almost forgot reading this one. There was a person who tweeted this at 8:6. I don't know how to pronounce this. Let me just read what the man say. Umichal Actics. Uthi, dear at SL at dear at IEC South Africa, the percentage on your dashboard are still wrong. The ANC is 12 million, blah, blah, blah. That's number. And it says it's 30, 39. Okay, that is actually 39.79 of the 31.9 something valid vote cast in favor of the parties in combined national and local regional ballot. Your reputation rests on the twin pillars of accuracy and transparency. So he then posted this to say, "This is the person. Let me give credit when it is true. Eh? This is the person who tweeted this. Right? This is the guy who tweeted that. Yeah, because it also helped me for people to see who tweeted that. And he says that these elections then can't be fair. Can't be. They can't be they can't be declared free and fair then because I mean there's this discrepancy that is categorizing IEC. IEC they say they produce free and fair, transparent and what. You know what I'm saying? But I'm interested to hear from you guys. What is your thought about what is currently happening? Do you think that do you think that we we will be afforded the opportunity to hear this? For me personally, I don't wanna lie, I am super keen to hear this. I am very interested to hear this being argued in court because I've heard somebody that the court might decide to look to on the basis of the affidavit itself. The court might decide to say we will judge all this on this. It's not that they are always forced to hear this. So I will ask them that for the benefit of us, please, please, please. Sifuna ukuyozwa abo advocate Dalimp of arguing this one. And also to those that guys don't know, there has been some evidence. I've seen that evidence as well, where in that evidence we have seen what is this? We have seen in that evidence we have seen ballot papers all over the place. Like there's enough reasons to believe that through evidence, there's enough reasons to believe that the elections were not free and fair, and therefore you just kind of wonder when President Jacob Zuma said, "I hope those who are sitting in to those who are sitting in what is this place again? To those who are being inaugurated." We're talking about our President Ramaphosa before he got inaugurated. He says, "I hope those who are sitting in those seats they are sitting there legally." Right? He just said that and said, "I hope you are sitting there legally." But I honestly believe in the case that MK Party they are bringing up. Oh, guys, I don't know how you have no idea how excited am I. You have no idea how excited am I. You have got no idea. And the thing is, to those who don't know, again, there has been evidence after evidence after evidence after evidence showing us that these people have tampered with the elections, right? Like, there's enough evidence to believe that these people have tampered with the elections big time, right? And when that happened, I'll be honest, when I saw all of those things, I couldn't help but say to myself, how do you pride yourself over this discrepancy? Well, there was two major incidents where they found unaccounted votes somewhere in a certain warehouse, right? Then they found trucks transporting those things, going to throw them somewhere. MK Party people were able to intercept all of that. What I'm trying to say is, looking at all those evidence, oh man, I don't know how, there's enough evidence. Like, somewhere there were videos, somewhere in the forest, ballot papers were dumped there. You know what I'm saying? Like one incident, you could see that this bulk of ballot papers, like MK Party had won, their votes were taken down to the drain. That's why MK Party, they are even saying we don't even want a recount, we want a revote. So, hey, good people, kusazoshubala. That's why I need this case to go to court.